Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And today the weather is beautiful outside, so someone suggested that I should do something in the garden, and well, I'm not totally against that, but I didn't really have a good idea of what. So I have this pile of stuff laying here on my lawn, and that's because I'm gonna have a new bathroom made up here. Actually, that window there is gonna be where the bathroom is at. It's gonna be extended, and the old toilet is right now here on the lawn. I have someone doing that for me, and he decided to throw it out from the balcony and down here, which was a great time saver, and I didn't have to get everything down through the house, which is also a big plus. So I'm gonna do something about some of that. I have already been working on it, well, the stack was a lot bigger than that, and I put it in plastic boxes, and I burn it in the basement where I have a wood stove, and well, that burns just about everything. So yeah, I think we'll do that door and get rid of that piece of crap. So this circular saw, I really like that. It's very efficient. I have these plastic boxes here that I put my firewood in, and well, some of it fits right away. Some of it has to be cut up, like, well, won't go in there. So what do? Well, I have this piece of wood just laying around here that I fitted, that if I cut it that size, it will go in. So I have that, and I'll just put that on top of something, and I know just about where to cut that sucker so that it will go in there. It makes it very efficient that I can just take that and put that on top and do a cut. So let's see that. Okay, with a little bit of fiddling, I got most of this door in here already. I have this weird piece with the handle and the lock, and I'm just gonna get rid of the handle, and I'm gonna burn there's still wood there, but I'll just pick the metal out of the wood stove when it has eaten all the wood. But I need to get the handle out of there. I have an adjustment tool that will do just that. So yeah, we'll adjust that off there, I think. Yeah, they made it pretty good back then. Adjustment completed. Okay, so now I only have these two plates left, which was the cover of the door, which was meant to make it look nice, which I've never liked. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut those up as well using this stick, making them just about the right length. And that is kind of how you fit a door into a little plastic box. Ready to burn. Yeah, the windmill is trying to get my attention. It can give up on that. It hasn't been producing any power for all the time I've had it, so yeah, it's That was a waste of money. Okay, maybe I should correct that. It's because the windmill is it's not in any good wind. There is too much of not wind here. There's too many houses around it. So yeah, another thing, I'm gonna cut these pipes that are down here. Right, they're the long ones. They're not gonna. It's gonna be a drag to move them. So I was looking for my safety glasses, and I did actually find them. They were here, and then I tried to get the dirt off of them, and I broke them. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my reading glasses instead. Hope they will survive a little bit of grinding. Another Ryobi commercial coming right up. Okay, that definitely made that big pile of metal easier to move and not taking up as much room. And well, I wasn't able to do the lawnmower over here. The robot is not on the job yet. I need to do something with the battery. It has collapsed over winter. It might have not helped that I chose to try and charge it the wrong way around, but never mind. Also took some radiators down from the upstairs, and they need to go to the scrap. But in the middle of this coronavirus thing here, they closed down the dump, so I can't get rid of them right now, which is kind of irritating. But yeah, they are actually talking about opening up the dump again, because it makes no sense that people can't get rid of their waste. It's a very good time to be messing around in the garden, and I think they know that. So and the weather is absolutely beautiful here. So I am gonna find my hinge trimmer, and I'm gonna do a bit of cutting here because this is long. So yeah. Hey, I did tell you this was gonna turn into a Ryobi commercial, because here's the hinge trimmer and it's a Ryobi. So there. And I got a Christmas gift from my brother, and it's this thing. I haven't unwrapped it yet, but it's an hinge trimmer cleaner of some kind, and I think we should just give that a try. So I think we can figure this out. If I can get it out of this impossible plastic, which is of course very dangerous. There. Okay, it's more or less just some brushes. Do you take this apart? I think there's a way to take it apart. Easier said than done, apparently. Okay, so we don't take it apart right now. But it needs oil, and apparently you put oil down here. You open up this cap, and there's a little oil reservoir, and you press this lever, and you lubricate it. So yeah, and oil is included. Mighty nice of them. I need to get rid of the top here. Okay, didn't exactly get rid of it, but it did. What? Ah, for heck. Got you. Okay. Should we just put this on anyway? Guess the clock is 4 now. Oh, why didn't they make it big enough to hold the whole thing? That's stupid. Okay. Oh, maybe they did. Bubbles are coming up. Never mind. take this plastic thing off. There. And then use this thing. I'll press the button. Oh, press it 5 times. I don't see anything coming out. Okay, I'm not gonna waste time on that. Okay, I managed to get the hinge trimmed all the way down here and also the back, and I guess that's about as much garden work that I'm gonna get done today. The sun is going down behind the building over here, so it's becoming cold. Not as if it was ever hot today, but it was sunny. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again doing something completely different in the next video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.